Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Neutron token. Ticker symbol is NTRN. This token just got listed on a central exchange July 14th, a brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this token here. So the Neutron's ticker symbol is NTRN. This token just got listed on a central exchange July 14th. They got listed on Bitrue. Now, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Bitrue account, I do have a Bitrue referral code down there in the description box. So all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Bitrue referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search NTRN, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So if you're looking for information on the Neutron token, they do have a Twitter, which you can find at Neutron_org. They also have their webpage, neutron.org. So this looks like it is on their own block explorer here. So this is technically a coin, because it's if you look up their block explorer, it'll take you to neutron.celat.one/mainnet, and that is where you can find their block explorer. So technically this is a coin and not a token, because it looks like it runs on its own blockchain. So Neutron, it says, is a cross-chain, a CosmWasm platform interchain secured by the Cosmos Hub. And if you want to find out what Cosmos Hub is, just look up at Cosmos Hub on Twitter. And besides that, it says here Neutron is the most secure cross-chain smart contracting platform. It combines the security of a top 10 blockchain by staked capitalization with a bleeding-edge cross-chain infrastructure to enable DeFi applications to securely scale across a growing network of 51 plus interconnected blockchains. So in a nutshell, that's how Bitrue describes this project here. But if you go to their webpage, neutron.org, they have frequently asked questions, partnerships information, why Neutron. It says built on Cosmos. Now Cosmos is a blockchain, similar how to a lot of other blockchains and are built on Ethereum, things like that. So smart contract platform secured by Cosmos Hub, the most secure CosmWasm platform in Cosmos. Neutron lets smart contracts leverage bleeding edge interchain technology with minimal overhead. You can contact the team on here, follow them on Twitter. There's different links. So why would you get Neutron? It says permissionless. Launch on your own terms. Get your smart contracts to the market in a blaze. IBC plus ICQ plus ICA. Smart contracts can query, transact, and manage accounts in remote zones directly from Neutron. Also, interchain security. Secured by 190 million plus staked Atom, Neutron is the most secure CosmWasm platform. And also CosmWasm, powered by Tendermint, interoperable by default, secure smart contracts. So it says, if you are building DeFi and looking for a platform to run on or making tooling for Cosmos chains, then you can have a partnership with Neutron and click contact the team. And for customers, if you are interested in using the chain, the Neutron chain, and participating in its life, you can click Notify Me. So what is a Neutron? Well, it says powered by Tendermint and built on the Cosmos SDK, Neutron is the most secure, permissionless, smart contract platform for interchain DeFi. Neutron lets developers launch smart contracts. Neutron gives tools to interoperate with other protocols and app chains. How does interchain security benefit Neutron? Well, interchain security lets validators from a provider chain, example the Cosmos Hub, produce blocks from the consumer's chain, example Neutron. Node operators are rewarded with additional native tokens, but can be sanctioned if they fail to validate the consumer chain. In a nutshell, interchain security provides Neutron with the same degree of security as the Cosmos Hub, the 10th largest blockchain by value staked. So, what is CosmWasm? I know I've mentioned that a few times. Well, Neutron features native support for CosmWasm, a virtual machine that allows smart contracts written in Rust, assembly script, and other coding languages to run on the Cosmos blockchain. So CosmWasm smart contracts have significant benefits over an app chain's binary. They benefit from the extensive library of testing tools, are easier to deploy and upgrade, and can be audited more efficiently. So they have kind of a roadmap on here where they passed Prop 72, it says, and then they have the Quark experimental testnet, and then interchain secure testnet. Basic interchain accounts supporting for CosmWasm is in progress. Also in progress is their audit, basic interchain queries, support from CosmWasm. Then coming up, we're going to have audit reports and fixes, improved testnet, developer onboarding, CosmWasm onboarding, interchain secured mainnet launch, Neutron token generation event, and liquidity mining gauges. And then we have Discord, Telegram, and Twitter all linked at the bottom of their webpage. Terms of use, privacy policy, all that type of stuff here. Then you can click Notify Me when it launches. But the token has already been launched and is now available on Bitrue. And like I said, if you don't have a Bitrue account, you can check out the referral codes down there in the description box. There's a link for Bitrue. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thank you for everybody who's been supporting by supporting on Patreon, hitting the join button, super thanks, all the things. I appreciate all of you, and even all the people who have just subscribed or hit like or anything like that. You guys, help motivate me to update you guys more on these new tokens that come out and things like that. So thanks for all the support, and y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.